166,000 viewers mga
Sheesh.
basta.
The point that really worries me is just this lack of consistent, relentless intensity
Ganda,
defensively by
sabay yung
Brazil.
kalaban dun, no? Grabe si
Fajardo had
Ramos,
a
eh.
great block. The reason he didn't have the great block, he didn't wander him back, and Fajardo outran him. They
Ganda,
saw him,
ganda.
gave it up. He had to recover his athleticism.
Ikot-ikot
got him
lang
out
siya,
of a
boy.
bad situation.
Ayan.
I expected Thiago a little bit sooner than this because I think his defensive intensity may be a factor. Benishi's going to have a game at some point.
Oh,
He
wala
can
pa siyang
score in the game.
mintis.
He's only
3 out of Yol. 3.
something like 11% from the three-point line.
8
He's
points
far too
agad.
good a player for that. He's gonna
Pogi
light
pa,
it
oh.
up.
Oo,
This
Kinga.
is
Siya
the
na lahat.
come and light it up.
Kompleto naman siya.
Just got to work harder about the basket. It's not just about Brownlee. They've got to guard everybody and guard them hard, and then it becomes a factor. Iago could be the man to spark that.
Brazil down by 7. How can they respond
Defense,
down the
pabor.
timeout? 2 minutes
Mabilis
left in
na.
the first
Mabilis yung
period.
tao na to. Ito, ginaguard niya. Ito,
Benici
mabilis
out
yan.
on the floor as well as Iago.
Magalaw, malikot man yan, malikot. Shooter yan, shooter. Basta ganyan,
And it
shooter
gets
yan.
taken away from him. Chris Newsom.
Malikot.
stepping
Ah,
around
binadali mo.
Iago.
Good foul, okay lang.
Gets
Foul.
fouled.
Foul.
Got some clever moves, Chris Newsom.
Mabilis. Basta ganun, nag-aikot-ikot.
Got the steal at one
Shooter
end.
yan kasi sa kanya ginapasa ang bola. Kaya siya
Kaya
magalaw talaga.
Miles joined the game.
Maghanap siya ng
Gets a
pwesto.
little piece of it, gets his hand in, gets a deflection. All those little things that the Philippines have been doing in every game. Yeah, the leading scorers in the tournament averaging 91, but a lot of that starts because they break up the other team's rhythm and get
No.
shots.
Bakit
that
hindi
are
napapasok
going
yan?
the
Di ba
other way.
praktisado na yan? Oo, praktisado
As
na
long as
dapat
they keep
yan.
rebounding in this game, they've got an amazing chance to make it to the final. If they can just
Dapat isa
keep
kahit isa lang
rebounding,
ma-shoot, okay na.
I think that could
Bang,
be
benga na yan, Yun na. sure.
huge night for Filipino basketball. Gilas in the final would be a story.
My word,
Plus
would
1
be.
lang pala yun.
Safety for Brazil.
Wala yan.
Caboclo with the open look.
Shit.
Brownlee.
Ito magaling to Dan ito, si Brownlee.
Coach Cohn's
Galing
going to
yan,
love that
malaking
pick
tao.
and pop option
Yeah.
for Brazil if that's where Caboclo's going to play the
Ano siya,
game.
Pinoy? Ano sila? Gago.
Brownlee got fouled.
Foul.
It's gonna
Ano
be
yan
a
siya?
matchup to watch throughout
Pinoy
the
yan?
night. Mendel and
Hindi, no?
Brownlee.
Oh,
stuck
naturalized.
together at the moment.
Parang Pinoy na. Pero hindi yung blood niya hindi
Leo
Pinoy.
Mendel. You turn around to your teammates and say, I got the
Pero
matchup
Pinoy
here,
na siya
mate.
kasi
I'm doing
matagal
my
na siya sa
job.
Pilipinas.
Why is every pass too easy? Why aren't you working as hard as me on the ball? Because at the minute they're not. They're just not doing
Tagalog
enough
yung lahat,
away
boy.
from the basketball to break up the rhythm this Philippine offense generates. They've scouted the triangle offense. They'll know it's about the way that Coach Cohn wants it controlled. And in some ways, I'd want to take Caboclo out if he's going to pick and pop.
Laking tao
Then
man yun.
again, if he's not
Nung
going to get it
pumasok.
underneath, he will pick and pop because he wants the ball. They've got
Salamat guys sa
Nice
lahat.
one.
Villiers, Palawig, Sambales.
Ay!
Ano, ah?
It's a bit
Only.
too hot for the backboard.
Yun
Iago
na.
off and running.
Wag
Mendel
na.
with it. That's better.
Bilis.
Yung bago yung
Relax.
pumasok. Hindi, iba.
They break up an 8-0 run from the Philippines.
Carl Tamayo. Nilabas na
Chris
nila si
Newsom
Dart.
now.
Wala.
Iago with that
Nice
shake.
ka!
Euro!
Newsom gets
Too
around
small,
him.
too small. Too small.
That's huge that he can get him that deep. And he
Malikot,
allowed him to get
malikot.
to the middle and had the not easy finish, but a finish you'd expect to make over the top.
Benicio and Iago. Still with Iago. Ticked under a minute to go in this first period. The shot clock's down to 3.
Nice one.
Has to go.
Yee,
Naku,
bitch.
ah.
A chance to.
Relax, relax.
Brownlee.
Nice
Behind
ka.
the back to
Pasok
Tamayo,
no?
I think.
Oh,
Travel.
Stepped on the,
Traveling.
sideline. And it's worrying sight for the Brazilians if they're playing that comfortable, that they throw a little behind the back pass, they're enjoying themselves. If scorers are in rhythm like the Philippines,
Travel
are
siya,
at the moment,
Gagi.
they will
Sayang.
back up another big number.
Tamayo, oy, hindi mag-dribble.
This is 2. Brazil with the 4.
Foul.
ano yun?
Foul. Hindi ka talaga nanonood basketball,
Hindi.
Dan?
First foul.
Nakita ko lang pero hindi ko magets rin. Pero mga TikTok
wala.
ko yun.
Wasn't he being a master this
Hindi
tournament?
ka tunay na lalaki.
Eh, grabe man. Dyan pala.
Dapat marunong ka mag-basketball, boy. Pilipino tayo. Yan ang pinaka-paborito nating
Iago
sport.
kicks it out to Mendel.
Sinabi ka.
Kita mo yan nanonood, 194,000. Pinoy lang yung lahat.
Fajardo's there.
Pinoy na walang pera
Usually is.
para manood ng paid.
Mr. Brownlee could perhaps have the last say on this first period.
Pasok mo yan.
8 seconds.
Chinga.
Still
Ano
with
lang
Justin
eh,
ice.
Brownlee. 5 seconds now.
Ipasok
3
niyo pa.
seconds. Justin
Ay,
Brownlee.
foul, gago ka. Dinunk mo na lang sana, natakot ka pa.
Brownlee's decision making, he's under pressure, he's not really got that
Oh.
stroke going. Wants to
Laki
take it
ng
to the
tao
ring,
na yan.
another good thing happens when he has the basket.
Pangit yung pag-land niya dun, ay yung paglipad niya.
Hmm.
Not the way he would have envisaged
Ano,
it.
sige lang.
Got the line.
Foul man. Benga yung dalawa. Magaling yun mag
Had 5 points
Pag
already
eto
for the
nagmintis,
game.
ewan ko na lang.
Hindi, maggalaw yung oras
Averaging
pag ganyan, no?
27 points per game.
Hindi.
Nice.
If you can believe it.
Yun!
Don't forget the 8.5 rebounds and the assists as well. It's phenomenal numbers. It's not just his scoring.
Absolutely. Coach Combe talked about him making his teammates better, and he does that.
Playing in Indonesia at the moment, Justin Brownlee,
Di ba?
Yan.
Sabi ko.
time champion of the
Ayos,
Philippines League,
goods.
and he's stepping up for his country again.
Pasok na si CJ
He's the man,
Perez.
CJ
Paborito yun.
Perez, the last second specialist.
Yan, magaling din yan.
Seen him knock
Mabilis.
down a few big threes.
You know, 10 na mga boss.
Pinasok na nila.
See if he can snatch one here.
Kasi para sa second quarter, hindi na sila mag...
Iago has to go. He tries to
La-
repeat some
Second
runs,
quarter na,
but
boy!
not able to do
Leading,
so.
leading.
10 lamang natin.
Yun, pasalamatan ko
10
lang
lamang
mga
natin.
friends, ha?
Good na yan? Or hindi pa? May chance pa?
Maganda, first quarter. Basta first quarter ba dyan yung nag-set ng pace? Continue ka na lang.
Sheesh. Kailan yung second? Sunod-sunod yan, no? Habang,
Oo, sunod lang yan.
kala ko
Alangan
nga ganun.
bukas na ito.
Kala ko nga ganun.
Yung mga sponsor ko, guys.
Wala talaga ako alam.
Guys, ha? Salamat sa papatantan apartment sponsor ko mga boss.
Shit, papatanten apartment pala eh.
Bagong Bayan, Naga City. Salamat po.
Shout out, shout out.
Alberry, salamat po ha sa inyo pong sa Sambales.
KCC Molde Zambong.
Yan mga boss ha. Sunset Villas Private Resort.
Na, wala na.
Agoy!
Take
Nahuli.
down na. Nahuli na.
Agoy.
Yan lang yan. First isang quarter lang yan. Tapos take down na yung ano mo. Meron lang yan. Hanap lang tayo.
Ah, may bago yun? Grabe
Pero
man.
magdami yan dito. Magdami yan. Mawala yun. Nawala na yun. Magdami na yan dito.
Grabe man, may replacement agad.
Hindi
Real.
ano. Bilis mag-
Real. Ang bilis ah, ang bilis.
Kraken is going to have to go deep minutes. He's also at that veteran stage. If they can get a whole game out of him, and if they keep rebounding, because Brazil at some point will start to make threes, but I don't know if they're going to make enough. They've got to get more going to the ring, and they've got to get more out of that pick and roll than they're currently getting.
I think the Philippines
Yan,
will
nag-start na
go
dun.
to it for as
Ayan.
long as they possibly need to.
Tingnan nyo lang yan.
The Courtside 1891 app is the way to go. All your streams, schedules and scores, not just from here in Riga, but around the world. All the other Olympic qualifying tournaments, semi-finals getting underway. It's a really exciting time as we build up the Olympics in Paris on July 26th.
Yan, magaling din yan. No?
Slightly smaller.
Aniga.
Mga black ball, shit.
Mga malalakas yan sila, boy.
Ibang breed sila.
Oh, bilis oh.
No!
Oh.
Gogo na yun!
Perez went to
Ano yun? Flash?
Maliit
Gogi no?
pass. Mali siya sa pass niya. Pero mabilis yan siya. Maliit lang kasi. Versatile.
Fajardo's thinking, look, I'm working hard. I don't need to bend down that.
Oy, defense ba?
Yes.
Nice ka.
Nice
Bubo
ka.
man to sila mag-press.
Tira-kitira
Ay,
lang mo yan.
kayo. Ayun lang. Yan.
Agay,
Yan,
agay,
hindi.
kuko.
Ma-shoot na yan. Ma-shoot na yan. Wala
Yun
pa
o,
gago.
buti, buti, buti.
On the boards.
Uy, dapat ganun. Ma-shoot na yan. Kasi matagal talaga siya nagtingin sa ring.
Panalo to Pilipinas.
Tamayo. Kyle Tamayo. Oh,
Brownlee on
oh,
the floor for the
oh.
Philippines.
Galaw, galaw.
No, naman to. Loading.
Fajardo
Galaw.
still has it.
Ala ka.
Now gets going on Felicio.
Boom!
Yun o.
How did Fajardo get that up?
Uy,
Real man. Parang mahirap mo yung shot na yun, pero napasok niya.
mahirap yun kasi nakataas kamay. Defense. Kusay gayon.
Agoy.
Pardo. Pinagatingin.
Classy move.
Sige lang. 10 pa rin lamang. Oh, Ikiambao, pumasok.
Mayo set for some big minutes tonight.
Green. Nice ka.
Pulls up for
Pas.
a long
Ay, ang bobo mo.
Tuba pa siya. Kita mo yan. Paano yun?
Nice ka, bigla na gano'n, nag-change career. Nice ka, tapos bobo agad.
Dwight Ramos has had the 8 points to start this game.
Chill lang, chill.
See Justin
Oy, huwag ka na mag-altab. Tangina.
Ay, nako.
Oy,
Perez, more than
kita
capable
namin.
shooter.
Kung makita yung laro, top donor ka pa.
That's what Iago forces you to
Gcash
do.
yan, no? Kaya hindi mo makita yung name mo.
Just got to accept that. Stand there, make sure you set
50
your
peso.
when you're standing still.
50 lang para maging top donor.
Like they have done.
So Brownlee comes back
Muntik
onto
na
the
siya,
floor. It's gonna be Dwight Ramos who takes the lead
Iwan.
for the time being.
Ang bilis ng ano niya yan, yung bago lang pumasok.
Bilis yan. Point guard kasi.
The
point guard ka.
who's on the floor. So Brazil at the moment. Benici. Iago.
Instinct talaga si Kiambo mag-defense, oh. Na.
Back to the veteran. Steps in for the long two.
Nice.
Chingo.
That's nice.
And Benici will know he's not going to get any other opportunities in a great career to get to another Olympic game, so he's going to want to have a positive contribution. Again, they've got good action and good advantage off the pick and roll.
Ay!
Lapit.
Yung shot ba? Kasi gayun.
Playing camp. Probably gonna play their last Olympics if they
Na,
are.
mag-dunk to.
Of course. Felicio.
Ikaw,
Nice
muntik
ka.
Tamayo. Strong.
Still.
Has to be.
Hindi man sila nag-dunk. What
Yeah,
the
he
fuck?
did all the hard stuff. He ran the floor.
Wait, gusto mo mag-dunk ka kalaban Daniel.
Joke lang, joke
Steve
lang.
Brownlee. Jorginho
Pag
is the
panalo
big
tayo.
champion guarding. No Mendel on the floor.
8 points pa rin lamang natin.
Brownlee gets to work on
Brownlee?
him.
Ay, gago ka.
Yun o,
Tira.
napas lang. Pasok!
Rescue
Pasok!
Ah,
Dos, 10 points
Jay
ulit.
Perez yan.
Made the impact of
Perez
Let's
yan.
go, boy.
11 minutes a
Sakta
game.
pero Perez apelido mo, no?
Kaya nga, ano?
9 points last game. CJ
Klaro
Perez.
talaga kayo dito pinanganak.
Iago steps back.
Lu!
Go.
And
Grabe
makes the
Sabi
naman.
si Perez, mag-ikot-ikot lang siya sa likod ng kalaban.
Brazil.
Tira mo, ah. Oh, tira mo.
And Iago.
Oh, ikot ka na naman. Oh, wala, libre talaga siya.
Thought about it for a long while.
Ganda ng
Made it
screen niya.
count.
Hitman.
And the fans
Eh,
are
hanggang
really
dyan ka lang.
loving the comeback here from this Brazil team. Still down 26
No,
to
no.
19. Let's listen to the coach
Time out na.
go.
Yan na. Pagalitan na kayo ni Coach Tipo.
English man?
Amerikano yan. Pero magaling yan mag-coach.
Yeah.
And yung sa iba, yung ibang coach, hindi ganyan magsalita.
Hmm.
Siya lang yung nagagasalita, ganyan. Galing
Motivating
talaga
siya, motivating.
Ah.
Prove them wrong. Ching ka lang. Ano meron? Ano to? Nag-break? Ano?
Time out sila.
Time out?
Pilipinas.
Okay.
Ayaw kasi nila, tinan mo, nag-shorten na 7 na lang yung lead. Mahirap. Kaya, kapag meron momentum ganyan, no, parang kung nakashoot dalawa twice, kailangan mo agad i-break, kaya mag-timeout pa. Para hindi mag-straight, kasi
Oo.
kung mag-straight, mabalik na yung...
Grabe, dapat strategic ka pala sa break. Shit.
Well, it's the
Oo.
point about decisions
Hindi
he's
mo lang yan
really
basta
upset
gamitin
about.
gamitin
Instead of
Yeah,
mo.
man.
Hindi
taking
man lang
shots that
meron.
they wanted, not for us, and they're not accountable. The penetration he talks about was an awful shot. And they have options. They do always have options defensively. It'd be interesting to see how they deal with the pick.
Move the
and
ball,
they
move
talked
the ball.
about dealing with,
Grabe na ng coach team, move the ball.
Felicio.
Ah, takbo na dono yan. Umaya na.
Tana makes his way onto the
Klaro.
Foul yan, foul.
Klaro.
Aguila also out there.
Pasok.
Nice
Yash ka.
one!
Dos tres. Hindi ko nakita yung linya.
Ah, ito, ito.
Jorginho's doing a
Dos
great
lang
job
siguro.
on, Brown at the
Grabe,
moment.
ito na
It's not
siya
allowing
nagtatanong,
Brown to
7
see
footer
the
kasi.
People like Arno are allowed to set their feet.
Malaki pa yan. Pag banggang ko niyan boy, parang punyangga pang
Agay.
All make that open shot.
Continue lang, continue. 9 point lead. Ah, 9 point. Oh, 9 point.
Pasok.
Pucha,
Nice
nice ka.
one.
Palagi may gatira tres
Wala.
yung isa.
Oh, Jorginho.
Uy.
Wala yan. Wala. Hindi na sila magtira tres.
For effort.
Box out. Bang.
Diaz.
Mismatch yun.
Benici.
Agoy, wala. Eh,
Nice.
bobo.
Perez
Nice ka.
brings it down.
Oh, relax.
Tana
Relax.
with it.
Ah,
Aguila.
Ayan na, hala ka,
Fajardo
bad
and
pass.
Diaz interfered.
Foul,
Bakit
foul,
bad
foul.
pass?
Foul, foul,
Well,
foul. Okay lang
Fajardo
yun.
is, I've said it already, he's putting in a shift here. He's both ends of the floor, he's been active. It's almost he's saying, I know
No.
Santo's out, I've got to do just that little bit more, and then hope that everyone else
Kusaya.
gives him the same sort of support. Look to post up, they haven't really posted him up that much. Now that they've looked in, they like the matchup, he's not letting them down at all. And he's going to need a blow, and this is
Pasok na
when
si
they're
Dwight.
very small. Just see how coach
Bogey.
sets this up defensively against the Brazilian lineup, that if they really wanted to pick and roll deep or just post up, should get a lot of advantage.
Brownlee
Kulang
looks
sila ng
free and
big
he
man.
takes
Nice
You know,
one.
pasok agad.
11 na
Anything
lang.
you would say in
That-
commentary today,
Nice, nice.
Brownlee
Keep
left
it up,
free.
keep
I
it up.
know.
Wow, where was the defense?
Unbelievable.
Kulang sila dun.
Iago, quick step.
Nice!
Nice.
Ay, mga Mongo.
Eh,
Absolutely.
Sige lang, lamang tayo.
See
Pahingayin nyo
more
muna si
of that
Pardo.
attack in the ring. Either on the dribble or
Chill,
on the
chill.
pass.
Hala ka!
naku.
Ano
Uwa
yun?
man yun.
Kalaban.
Real.
Ooh,
Uy,
Foul.
ano nangyari doon?
Iago.
Foul, foul, foul ni CJ Perez.
Philippines still leading this one. 30
Sobrang
points
bilis
to
niya,
19.
nabangga niya na.
Namuka, oh.
Perez commits his first
Nakakal sa
foul of the
mukha.
night.
Inamin niya. Kasi magtaas ka ng kamay, alam mo kay mali.
Lozada also out there in the last bit of subs for Brazil.
He's hardly played, though.
Yeah.
Naku, naku po.
Petrovic is really
Palit.
looking for.
Dapat may mag-top donor dyan, 10,000 para hindi na maggalaw.
He's done it most games. He's been trying to find units.
Benici,
Bang.
speaking of units.
Oh, lugi
Marquez
sila sa
wants
big
to
dyan, oh.
count.
There's
Wala
that
yung rebound.
issue about
Isa lang
cracking
big
in
man
the
nila.
gap.
Sa kalaban, puro alos lahat. Big man, matangkad lang.
Crossing over Brownlee,
Wala.
making some space
Ay,
for
Ching.
himself
Ga-
and taking advantage of
Ganda
the
ng
other
tira
end.
na yun.
Super.
Step back.
It's amazing. You know, your offense is always helped by playing defense. And
Pasa. Move the ball, madafa ako.
You know?
Brownlee to Ramos,
Yun lang.
two leading scorers.
Yun lang. Oh, ISO.
Ramos up against Benici.
Basic. Ay,
Ay.
mali ka dun.
Iago now,
Mali ka dun, pre.
streaming down the
9
floor.
lang lamang natin. Sige.
Stop.
Defense.
Then finds a way through.
Defense.
Benicio
Agoy.
finishes it off.
Lugi sa
Napasok.
gitna. Oh.
Oo, grabe yung ano
Time
nila sa loob.
again,
Malaki
positive
kasi
things
ano.
when they attack the ring.
Malaki talaga yan.
Yung sa gitna nila, loko.
Pick and roll.
Madali
Nine
lang
lang yan.
magpasok.
All over
Kaya
the
nga.
offense.
9 lang yung ano natin. 6'9".
Brownlee showed it.
7-footer.
He's just gonna keep it.
Madali niya lang mapasok kay matangkad.
Puts it to the
Nice
floor.
one.
Pasok! Ay, ching! Wala pa
Ay,
yun.
stop.
The hoop. What an athletic
Di pa yun foul,
rebound
the fuck?
off Tana.
Woo!
Brownlee couldn't keep a hold of it. Jorginho
Oy!
pushing the pace.
Ala,
Felicio
wala.
No!
Nice one.
Nice
Nice
ka!
one. Ay, hawakan
Alay.
mo!
gets another chance.
Ginuld it!
Some
Puti
company.
tapon sa taas. Agoy, tabay.
Pasok!
Jin drives baseline.
Nice.
one.
Ay, naku sa wakas.
Breathe a sigh of relief.
Tayo nagamali ang kalaban.
Benswerte, mali yung kalaban.
His team leading
Ah,
this by
naisahan nyo na ba
7.
yung donor
3
na yan?
minutes left in the opening half. A spot in the
Mag-donate na ako,
grand
Daniel.
final away. The winner of this game.
Mag-donate na ako para din.
Pero hindi na yun gagalaw pa.
Lozada commits
Sambok.
a foul on Perez.
1,000.
Sorry, it was Iago actually. Just in the background there.
Galit man to siya.
I mean, they haven't always finished the play around the ring, but how much more
Tapos
effective
niya na
is
daw yung
Brazil
laro.
now looking by being aggressive on the dribble or trying to get it to the inside
Ay,
to the
pumasok
roller.
na si Newsam.
Scoring
Let's
around the
go.
ring, their bigs are more active because they've had touches at the ball. They're doing
Kailangan nila
rebounding
malaki
better.
dyan, oh. Pasok niya
Just
din
stand
sa
and
ano.
shoot the big
Mason.
man lose interest. Back
Lugi
in the
talaga sa
interest
baba.
now.
Pasok,
Hey,
please.
He
Piulo!
Ah!
nails it.
Nice ka, nice. Stress eh.
While he's on the
Ano
floor,
yung ano niya?
you can tick that. You can guarantee you'll find ways to tick the scoreboard over.
12 points already for Justin Brownlee. It's
12 points na siya,
unbelievable.
okay. Very good.
He's really struggling today, and I looked at the numbers. He already had 9, now he has 12.
Oh.
Alo ka.
Head on the floor for Brazil.
Aroy.
He
Yun,
makes an instant
Justin.
impact.
Akala ko napasok nga. So,
They started with a pick and roll options who were getting really a lot of effective options.
Enroll lang yung ano
Then went
nila.
away from it
Strat
too
nila,
much.
parati. Oh.
Aguilar
Oh.
stuck with it.
Agay! Foul!
Hold him, yeah.
Nice one. Klaro yun, klaro.
It's the only way
Pilipinas,
really to
let's go.
stop him.
I do like the way that Jorginho has done that. He's made him work for everything.
Grabe
It's
no?
not so much he has to waste his fouls.
Grabe man, walang hesitation.
Fouls for the
For
team.
the
It's
Philippines.
great. It made,
Kahit walang NBA player sa
Brown
atin,
work every
mananalo
single
tayo.
possession. It might
Let's
not
go.
become a factor until the last quarter
After
of the
neto
game.
dyan, finals na.
Love the fact
Nice.
he's making it work. It's the first player who's gone out
Kaya
there and made him
malapit
work
na
off
si-
the ball. Mendel
Sabi
made
pa
him
tapos
work
ang
hard on the
laban.
ball.
Ah,
Jorginho's
Sabi
making him
niyo,
work hard off the ball. Just keep throwing bodies at him.
Tingnan mo, Jeffrey.
That'll work for Brazil.
Daka.
Bodies Fajardo out there.
Oo.
And Caboclo
Ramos.
for Brazil.
Ramos, isolation.
Two big guys back out there.
Sheesh!
Pasok!
On the spin cycle.
Wala yung pumasok.
Fly complete.
Sayang. Ikot na sana siya.
2 minutes left now.
Sige lang, sige lang. Oh, depensa,
This quarter
depensa.
over 13
Oh,
to
iniwan mo
11.
na naman.
The Philippines with the game
Iniwan
lead.
bro, shooter yan. Uy,
Marcelino.
nak.
Nako po. Nice ka. Wala pumasok. Buti na lang.
Tana with it.
Chill. Oras.
Chris Newsom.
Relax, relax.
Ah.
Tana almost
Wait,
ran
basta
him
lang,
out.
okay lang. Basta i-kick mo lang yung ano.
Left him on the floor.
Hop,
What?
Hop,
Who hit
hop,
there?
hop. Mismatch.
Fajardo.
Mismatch. Maliit lang yun, gago. Palagat
Shot
mo.
clock down to 3.
Nice ka.
Bilis.
Steps back.
Ay!
Lozada.
Jumper lang yun, oh. Kahit na po,
Finds
ma-shot ko yun.
Marcelino.
Grabe man.
Agoy! Iniwan mo. Foul.
Ano
Nice
yun?
one.
Bakit?
Offensive foul.
Foul na naman.
Caboclo just ran through the defense.
Ah,
Didn't even
Rep
try to
sa
round
atin.
him.
Buti na lang yung referee.
I think Coach
Bias.
was making the point, and I thought Newsom got away with a push off.
Sino yung rep?
The interesting thing is that the
Tinuna ko,
Philippines
tinuna
are
ko.
very comfortable
Ah, di ba?
deciding to use the
Oo,
clock.
klaro.
Run is short
Klaro.
because they still think they're going to get a
Klaro.
really good
Bin malaki yung pala yung player, no? Grabe na yun.
and it's almost
Yan.
if they
Kahit
slow
yung
down,
maliit
Brazil
po, yung
keep
ano,
them slowed
maliit
down.
lang, malaki yan.
You've got to
Grabe
keep
man.
forcing the issue and then make the Philippines work. Don't let them get deep on
6'1
the
natin
clock.
yung pinakamaliit
They just
nila
get
dyan.
what
Na.
Kahit, mas matangkad pa kay
Kay
Clark.
Clark. Tapos malaki yung katawan nila. Na. Grabe.
Matangkad pa kay Clark. Ay, naayos niya, oh. Jeffrey.
Buti.
Bini, sana nandyan, no? Bini,
Oo,
oh.
kaya nga. Sabihin ko sana, manood talaga ako basketball, pero wala man pera.
Dito ka lang manood daw sa live. Okay, 12 points lamang. Ay, 8 points na pala. Kala ko 30. Kala ko 35.
8 points.
Well, Justin Brownlee, we thought he might, and he's taken this game over. 12 points, 4 from 9 from the field, 2 rebounds.
Sarap po,
as
pang.
well. He's probably the favourite for the MVP of this tournament at this stage. He is making buckets for fun.
head and shoulders. At the moment, head and shoulders.
Sarap
above everybody.
tirada.
There's been some great performances across all these teams at
Uy,
various
dito na si
points,
Clark.
Day in, day out.
Clark,
Minute
basketball
after
Clark.
minute. As you said, it's not the fact he's averaging points, it's everything else he does as well.
7 points, 8.5 rebounds, 51% from the field are his averages.
Naglag
He's
ako.
on his way to big numbers again today.
Let's go!
Minute left in the opening half. It's the Philippines leading 33-25 in this first semi-final. Latvia and Cameroon going up head-to-head.
Pagod na yan ako, eh.
7 p.m. local time here at Arena Riga.
Tira! Nice na!
Brownlee steps into
Ah!
the lane. Caboclo there for the rebound.
Sayang.
Well, they dodged the volley there because Eugenio didn't get back onto him. Huertas is yelling at him to get back. Huertas did enough just to take him out of
Hindi
reach.
mapasok, di mapasok.
Benici now. Lozada. Haven't seen him put the ball up that much. Goes to the floor.
Ay,
And makes the
God.
move.
Ay,
Didi
nako.
Lozada gets himself into the game and the tournament.
Ano?
Kiber Lazada. Shopee ka ngayon.
First bucket of the OQT. Guarding Ramos now. Ramos still with it.
Ano?
As the clock ticks down to 10 seconds. Brownlee.
Ay!
Uy!
Ay!
Ano yun?
Oh, nice one!
Nice ka! Hala!
Ay, wala ko!
Ha? Ano yun?
So a timeout for
Outside
Brazil.
ball
So
lang.
work out what they
Paano
did
na outside
in the
yun?
last 3.5 seconds.
Ano lumabas
Looks
man?
like a
Wala
bit
nang
of
foul, hinawakan
momentum
yung
heading into
paa.
the half. It's been all the Philippines so far, really.
So they're as close as they've been now. 6 points. They haven't been 6 points down
Points
for a
lang
bit.
naman natin,
Only
boys.
against a long shot, 3.5 seconds. They've got enough time, but it's interesting to see what Coach Petrovic draws up.
Wala na, basta lamang tayo, yun ang mahalaga. Oo daw sabi, coach.
Pamparumbo.
Ah.
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 Airplane.
Pagod man yan natin, at patahan.
Oo.
Brazil.
Boom, boom! Boom, boom!
Entra Bosotro.
Boom, boom na.
Let's go.
Brazil slowly
Dito daw yung
working their
bola.
way back into this
Pasa mo
game.
dito.
Outscore the Philippines 15
Coach
points
Jin,
to
let's go.
They find themselves down
Ganun na
6
yun, boy.
points.
Boom,
3.5
boom,
seconds
boom.
left in the opening half.
Sheesh.
Their plans are as they come out of this timeout and back onto the floor. Marcelinho's been the one for
3.5 seconds na lang, ano
the
kung gawin nila dyan?
41-year-old
Nagplano pa kayo?
to go to his third Olympics.
Ay,
Para next game.
The T on his back time and time again, not just this tournament but throughout his whole career. What can he conjure up for the rest of this game? Zada from the baseline. Caboclo
oh.
glides
Ay,
through.
gago, wala.
Pag yan pumasok, mainis ako. Buti hindi.
Yeah, they had a foul. They had fouls to give. So
Ha?
Ha? Paano foul yun?
Ayun.
it's going to make it harder, obviously, for
Agoy.
1.2 on the clock.
Ching, ina na. Foul pa yun.
Second foul. Can Brazil do here from the sideline? Caboclo gets himself
Oh, ano
free.
yun, no?
Can't make the shot.
Tagal pa yan ang
So
halftime.
it's the Philippines. After leading at the end of the first period, they
Ano
hold
mangyari
on to
pag
their
napuno
lead
nyo yung foul?
at the end of the opening half. And
Oh,
at
look,
halftime, it's Philippines 33,
Hindi ka na
leading
makalaro.
Brazil 27.
Ibang foul yun.
Parang red card sa Sam.
Pag team foul, example,
Well, the numbers,
ibang foul
well,
sa
those numbers are not going to be that keen to
sa
write
ibang,
home about.
ano,
But they're still shooting the ball well from the three-point line, the
may
Philippines. But
free
if
throw
you're Brazil
dalawa.
right now,
Free throw.
you
Oh,
haven't
yun
played
pala.
well, you
Okay.
haven't shot well, but you're
Then,
only
yung
down
mga
6
free throw yun, example, foul sila. Shooting foul yun. Pag nagatira ka, tapos na-foul ka habang nagatira. Siyempre, ano man yun, parang, ano mo ba?
Ibawi nila. Parang,
Parang tinanggal mo yung kamay mo, tapos
Oo.
tinanggal mo na mag-shoot. Foul mo yun. Kasi, meron man siya chance mag-shoot, tapos tinawag mo. Shooting foul mo.
okay,
Free throw
gets.
ka dalawa. Pag nagatira ka,
Hmm.
pag example, pag 5 foul na kayo, executive, 5 foul na. Pag sobra na yun, straight nun, every foul nyo, pag free throw na sila.
Wow.
Example, foul na, free throw na. Diretso.
Sheesh.
Di mo yan alam, Daniel.
Hindi.
Tangina, Pilipino ka, dapat manood
Wala
ka
ko alam sa
basketball.
rules sa basketball.
Kahit si Pacquiao nga, puta, pang sports pero naga-basketball din, billiard pa, basketball, billiard.
Bata.
Matagal pa yan, yung halftime para magpunta sila sa locker room tapos magkwento-kwento pa sila doon.
Ilang hour or minutes lang rin?
Hindi, 10 minutes lang ata yan,
Ah.
15 minutes. Depende yan sa regulation ng weight ng ano. Iba-iba kasi kung ibang event, iba din yung rule. Note muna tayo. Mr. B.
Mr. Beast.
Yeesh, I built 100 houses and gave them away.
Shit.
God damn.
Saan yan? Sa
Ang
Africa?
sarap ng pagkain. no?
Kabusog
Pero
na
ayaw.
ako. Zamboanga? Zamboanga, Philippines.
Pero sa Pilipinas, no?
Kaya nga, kay saging oh.
Ano?
Basta may saging,
Oh, saging.
Pilipinas.
Pilipinas ata to, feel ko.
Pilipinas.
Hindi, boy.
Hindi, may team.
Tawa pa lang nung gadger ka talaga.
They have no idea we just built them. Take off your blindfolds and turn around. Behind you is your brand new
Sabi ko na ba Africa something yan?
Oh, I was not expecting that reaction.
Wow.
Freaking out.
Gawa sa ano?
Oh, ano yung tawag
crate?
yun? Yung cargo? Mga
And
cargo
this
ship?
is just the first of 100 houses we're
Container
giving
ba?
away.
Container.
Container pa no, yun ah.
I'm glad they're happy. Let's go give away another house. With every single home we're building in this video, we're improving quality of life for families who don't have a safe space
Bigyan
to
niya ng
call home.
tubig.
And we spend millions of dollars just on this video.
Point din talaga ni ano no?
Because here in Jamaica,
Jamaica.
there are currently over
Ayan.
500,000 people living
South
in
America ba yan?
unsafe,
Kung tama?
life-threatening
Or hindi?
conditions, like this next family, whose house is so
South
unsafe
Africa.
and unstable
South
that it
Africa
could
pala.
literally collapse on them at any given moment. So you built this
Kakawaan.
one
Yeah,
by yourself?
yeah, brought boards and all materials they see
But we're on top of a mountain, so you carried all this material up this mountain.
on my head.
Wow. We knew
No,
we
okay,
wanted to
wow.
build this family a house. So we sent them on a mini vacation so that we had enough time to work with our partners to build them a brand new home.
Sheesh, vacation pa.
You're about to witness a family that lives in this house.
Mr. Beast lang yung kilala ko, hindi siya nag-ano no? Urap ba? Paggawa siya video no, tapos invest niya
Bigay
din sa
niya talaga.
video.
What you're looking at is your brand new home. The trip we sent you guys on was just a decoy, so we could have time to build this brand new house for you. You want to see the inside?
Ah?
Check
Ano,
it
Clark?
out.
May tawagin sa ganyan.
Philanthropy?
We noticed that you guys
Oh,
might need
yun.
some new furniture, so we completely furnished your new home.
Philanthropist.
Now, on top of electricity,
May
Meron kasi
we
mga
have
YouTuber
water
na talaga
for
sila
running water. We
grateful.
put bunk beds in this
Parang sa
room for
sarili
two of
lang
the
nila.
kids.
Sarili lang.
And if you go across the hallway, you'll see your bedroom.
Pati grabe no, bumabalik rin talaga. Marami siya views. Dahil ganyan ginagawa niya.
Lugi nga daw siya sa mga ibang video niya.
Dapat lang kasi
Here's officially the deed to the house.
Thank you.
grabe
guys
din yung
so
ginagawa
It
niya ba?
sucks, but some of these places that these families
Parang
live are extremely
kilala na talaga si
unsafe
Mr.
and in
Beast
some
ng
cases
buong mundo.
life-threatening. That's where this family currently lives. The mom was telling us that that
Tamo naman siya ng pinakamataas na subscription no, 297 million.
97, wow!
and can't sleep. And as of
Oh,
today,
mabilis
that
siya
will not
mag-grow.
happen again.
Di pa rin
Build that
nag-stop.
brand new home
Oh, siya ang
for you.
pinakamabilis.
Oo.
Everyone?
Sila PewDiePie parang nag-ano, tsaka
Oo.
T-Series nag-stop parang
Naka-halt
100k.
na sila.
This was just
Mahirap
the
na
beginning.
umangat.
We were able to build home
Mga 2
after
years,
home
3 years lang ata siya.
in Jamaica. And we weren't
Mabili-
gonna stop
mabilis
until
talaga.
we had built 100 houses. But unfortunately, at our next destination, there's a river that destroys
El
hundreds
Salvador.
of homes every year. You see, during rainy season, this river flash
No.
flood, washing away
Grabe.
all the homes
Ang
in
inang
the
gago na yung editor
CGI.
niya.
And as you can see, there's literally a fridge
Yaman
right
niya
there,
eh.
which I assume got there because their
Siyempre
house got
magaling
swept away.
editor.
Oh.
So you're saying when this floods, those
Mga
houses
Marvel
that
level
currently
shit.
have families living in them could potentially be destroyed.
Yes, they will.
Well, not on my watch. Because
No.
just a couple miles away, we've built rows of new houses for this community. No joke, we're giving away this home, 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 this home. There's a lot of homes.
1 year
So
siguro
we
niya yan
started
ginawa,
with
no?
Maria and her daughter, whose previous home
Siguro.
was completely
Tagal kaya
demolished by the
mag-build ng
river
bahay.
during rainy season. And without even a bed to
Depende yan.
sleep in,
Kung
every
marami
single
ka
day
tao.
has been a struggle for them.
Marami man siya pera.
All right, and since they don't speak English, can you translate for them to turn around and look at their brand new home?
Puede darse vuelta. Aquí está tu nueva casa.
Ongoing pa ngayon sa likod, oh. Wala pa pintura.
Oo. Grabe na.
No problem. Come check out the inside. Oh, you want to give me a hug? Go on. And while walking through their new home, we
Ganda nga.
realized they didn't even know their house was free yet. Oh, you haven't told them it's
No,
free?
no.
Yeah, tell them it's free.
No van a pagar. Todo esto es suyo.
Congrats on the new home.
Siguro ngayon lang ata nila nakita si Mr. Beast. Tapos gulat sila, nagabigay na bahay.
Sí, se puede acostar.
Oo.
Grabe no?
Tinangan.
Parang
Who's
anghel
this
talaga.
guy?
Kaya nga, ba't
Uy,
may bahay
nabigay-
na kami?
Nagabigay lang ng bahay.
Kaya nga, parang alien. Pero, grabe.
I don't want you to have to worry about the river anymore. This is your brand new home.
Kamakaiyak.
Yung tatay ko. Feel ko na yung kotse niya.
Feel ko na yung kotse niya.
See that row of houses behind
Narinig
you
ko
with
kasi
the
boy,
endless
mag-close
wildlife?
yung pintuan ng
We
kotse.
are not kidnapping the
Nasa
family.
minimap na boy.
We're giving
Shit.
them all houses
Ah?
at the same time.
Nakalagay na sa minimap.
Attention everybody! Remove your blindfolds and turn around and look at your brand new home. Congratulations!
Sheesh.
Sana ako din.
Shit. Pilipinas, Mr. Beast.
I gotta go down. I need to see
Give,
the reactions.
ano,
What do you think of the new place?
100,000.
Congrats. You asked me if I
Pesos.
liked the
¿Gusta su nueva casa?
100,000 boy, bili na ako ano. Ano bili ko?
Ano bili
Hindi
mo?
ako. Magkaka-business. 100,000.
Idol talaga.
What do you think of your new home?
Oh boy, imagine mo.
Come over here. I have something
19
way
years
better
old pa lang businessman ka na, chingga. Masarap yun. Feeling.
Pogi.
Jugar fútbol con él.
Well, that's convenient because not giving them this giant soccer field. And the best
Ish.
part is, I have hundreds of kids waiting over here. We're gonna surprise them.
Sabi na yung
This
bola.
is the neighborhood's
White
first
pati
look
red.
at their brand new
Daming
soccer
bola.
Hindi mo yung bola.
Brand new soccer field.
Ah, FIFA ball.
Of course, a new field had to come with brand new soccer
Ay.
equipment for all the kids.
Gah.
Yol.
A lot of fun on the soccer field,
Kompleto.
but I don't know if the soccer field was enough because all the kids
buntis
started
na yung bata.
attending festivals.
Tatlong bola kinuha.
Alright, here's some festivals. They really love festivals here. I will start carrying more festivals.
Pakita ko kaya nun. Ano ako? Hindi ako malaway.
But of course, outside of this
Ayaw ko kasi
community,
talaga ng
families
sweet
across
na
El
chocolate,
Salvador
chocolate.
were in need of safe housing. So on our way out, we built as
Pag
many
Milo, ano
houses
eh,
as
Milo
we
boy.
possibly could. But
Oh,
we're
boy.
only
Hindi ko
halfway
alam.
there because a small
Milo?
community in
Milo?
Argentina also
Ah, Ngilo,
needed
oh,
help.
kala
And
ko
we
pagka,
built
ano,
house
brand
after
ng
house to
tsokolate.
ensure that
Wait lang.
every single
Balik
child
lang ako.
in this community
Manood lang
had a
kayo, boy.
safe place to learn and grow. But we still weren't done.
Napanood
So
mo na
we
to,
even
Clark?
flew all the way over to Mexico,
Yup.
where we continue to
Napanood
build
mo na, grabe
house
man.
after house for all of these communities.
Meaning possible ako pa napanood mga Monster Beast videos.
Ah, hindi ba?
Nandun
Itong
yung
video
traffic
talaga.
at saan.
Itong video talaga.
Yeah.
The next family
Wow.
used to live in a house like this. I say
Di ba
used
yun
to
bago?
because a tornado
Bago ba
Ayos na
yun?
ba? Matagal na pala
and
to.
clearly these houses are in no way livable. And so, of course, we built John and Anna a brand new home. And now all we have to do is give it to them. This family has no idea they're about to get that house. Right there's good. Okay.
Ano pala 6 days ago.
No.
Congrats! I know it might not
Napanood
seem
ko na
real,
ito.
but
Pa
this
ako
is legitimately
napanood.
your house. You want to unlock the front door? They're all in shock.
Update.
To be honest, I don't even think they believe this is their house.
Parang may kaya na nga yung
They
pamilya
may
na
not
yan.
be saying anything, but
Parang,
the tears say a lot. Congrats, man. Congrats. This is yours.
Bastante. Nosotros iniciamos
sure ka, kailangan niya nila.
prefabricada.
Kaya mo marami man siya pera.
Lang.
But John and Anna weren't the only ones that needed help in Colombia. So you can probably guess what we did for the rest of the community.
Ni.
It shouldn't be a stretch that
Cute,
everyone
cute.
in the world deserves a safe roof over their head. But not every house we built went quite so smoothly. I accidentally broke the lock to the door. Their furniture's still outside, which we were gonna move in there. The family just pulled up. We put bars on the window so I can't get in. I don't really know what to do. We're very
Lockpick.
screwed. Alright guys, the family's here. Looks like we're out of time.
Ay, sira na nga yung lock. Paano yung lockpick?
Hey, how's it going? Come on over.
Sa labas lang sila ng bahay.
I think I broke the lock. I can't get the door open. Here, can you try? Maybe I'm just dumb. No. Oh, what? Wait, how'd you do that? Are we dumb? Alright, boys, come on. Well, personally, I'm not quite the best locksmith. You want to see it? They totally haven't seen any of the furniture yet. What mattered most is that Jose and his family now had a place to call home. And we
Grabe no,
also
laki
heard
na yung
their
tulong
only
bahay.
means of
Shit talaga.
transportation broke down. And so, one more surprise. We also got you guys
Wow.
a brand new motorcycle.
CRF
There
ko.
you go.
Joke lang.
No problem. Yeah. Now they have a brand new home and a way to get around. And this got me thinking. While giving away all these houses, I noticed a lot of people were struggling with transportation. And I gotta solve in this truck. Open it up. We got
Jeez.
bicycles for every single kid in this village. No problem, man. And after giving away 99 free homes, we still had one home left to give away. And finally, House 100. Take your blindfolds off and look at your new home. Congrats. Congrats. Go check it out.
Saya talaga.
Shout out to all our partners that helped build these houses, and also shout out to you guys, because obviously if you didn't
What's
watch these videos, we wouldn't have been able to
tata.
build 100 houses. And if the channel continues to grow, I hope to do 1,000.
Kain tayo, boy.
Kain, kain.
Tapos na.
Ngayon lang ako magkain. Tulog na bebe mo, Clark?
Nope.
Ha?
Ano oras naman?
Hindi
9 na?
pa.
9:20.
Hindi pa tulog.
Hindi pa tulog. Ano kaya nag-bebe time ngayon?
Nag-usap sa tatay.
Oh?
Hindi, siya.
Pakilala ka na.
Kilala naman ako. Hindi pa lang nakita.
Yan na, balik na sila guys.
Good, 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 good. Pilipinas, let's go.
Pilipinas, let's go. Supportive ka man, Dan.
Siyempre.
Ngayon lang ito nanonood
Ngayon lang
basketball.
ako.
Let's Pilipinas, let's go na.
but then they dried up in that second quarter, and that allowed Brazil to get back in the game.
So both teams back out onto the floor, completing their final warm-ups.
Tapos pag mag-halftime dan, baliktad na yung court.
Hmm.
It's really
Iba na yung ring.
O, iba na yung kapila na kayo magtira.
Okay.
Parang sa volleyball lang. Yung baliktad yun.
Ah, oo. Kita kayo.
That guy there, Fajardo's gotta play big minutes.
Tapos pag, half time, pwede ka mag-practice. Katulad ginagawa ng Brazil, oh.
Ganyan talagang halftime.
Ah,
Parang
Massage on Fajardo to loosen
reset
things up,
ulit ba?
sharp up. But, he's
Na
one of
kaya,
those guys you love to
crucial
see
yan.
in the team.
First half, kailangan mo talaga kung gusto mo mag, kasi, pwede pa yun mag-comeback.
hmm.
Just a top guy, looks like.
Hindi mo alam ano ginawa nila dun sa tuwan. Baka nag-use na drugs.
Yung halimaw bigla.
Halimaw, boy. Hindi mo din alam. Ganyan, mga coach, magaling magsalita. Gano'n motivate yung mga players. No?
Matanda na yan.
Matanda na yan. Ah.
Nag-aaboy, no?
Oo.
Yung coach natin, boy, hindi boy, nagamura yun. Marinig mo yun na.
The trash talk. English pa.
Pag Pinoy kasi yung coach, di marunong boy. Wala sila. Strat ba?
Basta
Mga English.
batak.
Mga Amerikano, EU, sila talaga yan.
Buti.
Basketball. Tayo, mahina yan tayo sa basketball.
Na paano yan nila nakuha yung coach na taga ibang bansa?
Bring it home, the final words from Coach Tim Cone.
Ewan ko. Tanungin mo daw sa kanila.
He's been coached fantastically throughout this entire tournament. So too.
Nag-ano lang yan siguro?
Right moves at times as well.
Import din ba?
The Courtside 1891 app on your screen is the way to go for all your latest news and highlights. Not just from here in Riga, but all
Yung last coach niyan, Pinoy. Sa Gilas. Nag-retire siya boy. Marami talaga sa kanya nag-bash.
No.
Munggo kasi mag-coach.
Kaya pala.
Napa-retire talaga siya.
First retire pala yun eh.
Off the second half, it is the Philippines 33 leading Brazil 27 in a pretty low-scoring affair. It's anyone's game. Marcelinho's going to start
That's
things
na boy.
off here for Team Brazil. To Jorginho.
Ay, gabi.
Gobi man, galit man yung pass na
Anong
yun.
passing mo?
Gobi yun.
Grabe, Kurokono basket.
Brazil, they changed the angle. Gabocki got a touch around the ring. And that's money in the bank.
Just like that, the margin's cut down to 4. The captain, Japeth Aguila, to
Oo,
Newsom.
naman talaga lahat.
Dishes it to
Nice!
Ramos.
Pasok ka!
Ay!
Oh, hila siya pasok. He's short, bro.
Short.
Marcelinho now off and running. Continue to cut
Ay,
this
gago, foul.
margin.
Charging.
Continue to cut this margin.
Oh, tama.
One. Charging. Offensive foul.
Then just put his body on the drive lane.
Ulo niyo sa basketball, maarte.
There's no lane driving.
Ah?
Yung thing sa basketball, maarte.
Waiting for the replay out there on the line. Didn't get it on
Like,
the
mabangga ka, foul.
stadium at least.
Mahawakan mo kamay ng kalaban mo, foul.
Kasi ano man yun? Yun, nag-a-alter yun sa pagtira mo.
Oh, yun.
Kailangan precision talaga dyan. Na, putang ina.
Huli siya.
Tinake down niya. Tinake down na tayo, bro. Kailangan natin maghanap ng ibang live stream. Ayun, no?
Yun oh.
205,000.
200,000
Baka
na
ako
dito.
lang nanonood, oh.
Papa Boss Ming Chibban. Chibugan. Chibugan. Red Raimundo.
Donate ka, boy. Dyan na yung halan mo.
Pass lang.
Top donor, 2-6.
Agul! Turnover! 4 points na
Sa
lead
corner,
natin.
oh.
4 points na lang.
Pasa yun sa corner.
Agoy!
Uy, ba't nyo
Agoy!
iniwan?
Ilang point na lang!
Ba't nyo iniwan? Iniwan nila. Nagpunta lahat sila sa loob.
Kaya gali.
Open to yung dalawang corner nila. Saan nagaputik sa labas? Sa loob lang.
Shish.
Brazil cut the deficit to 1 on the back
Bago 1 point na lang oh. Pasok! Paporya! Saya ba yun?
Yung may
Sabi ko kay
nagtala.
Boy, may campaign makambak.
Uy, tinan mo laro nila. O, tingnan mo, open na naman.
Pag yan na-shoot, nagdroga sila.
Apoy!
Puta, nagdroga nga.
Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo yung laro nila. Lahat ng blue na sa loob. Lahat ng white na sa labas. Walang nagadikit. Tapos kapag yung Philippines yung mag-attack, lahat sila one-on-one. Naka-defense lahat.
Maganda din passing na ng kalaban, Boy. Mabilis talaga.
Yun rin. Oo, yun. Maganda.
Mautal yung kasi mag-defense man sila. Kung magpasa sila sa gitna parte, maglabas konti yung magpasok konti yung Pilipinas kasi baka mag-drive ba papasok.
Mm.
Mabilis man
gets,
talaga.
gets.
Ayan, shoutout po. Kay Janmar Alvarez.
May Miyaki sila ba? Miyaki.
Top donor natin mga
08?
boss, si Marky Friends. Ayan, salamat po sa
08, third quarter.
latest donor natin.
Nag-time out agad.
Trinidad and Kyle
Na, alangan, lamang na kalaban, di ka mag-time out.
8 points pa nga.
Score po natin.
Ilan ba yun? Up? Dalawa,
6
tatlo.
points yung lamang natin kanina.
No? Dalawa na lamang ng Brazil mga boss.
Dalawang time out lang, di ba pwede? Or apat.
Lima per game.
Okay.
Ayan, shoutout kay kay Manabat.
Second pa lang atay natin.
Shoutout po
Second
sa
time
inyo.
out.
Ito mo, pumunta siya doon sa gitna. Tapos naiwan yung labas.
Ganda ng laro ng Brazil ngayon. Tampak
Ang
agad.
Sa loob, labas sila naglalaro.
Kanina wala talaga sila tira sa 3.
Yung
Ngayon meron. First
Brazil.
quarter. Wala sila tira.
Wala na boy,
meron.
nag-drugs boy.
Kaya nga, totoo. Na nag-log
Naglag.
sa akin.
Wala. Ito mo defense nila.
Ay, grabe yun ba? Tinira lang.
Tinira lang.
Na.
Again, Brazil find themselves with another stop. Chance to extend their lead beyond the 2 points at the moment.
Ako pagpakas sila, GG na.
Ano no, layo niya dun sa corner.
Uy!
Sa gitna nun sa nagalaro.
Good. Ano naging foul?
Ha? Oh my god, ang arte.
Tingnan natin replay kung may foul ha. Saan yung foul? Uy! Little contact lang nga yun.
Bro, maarte nga. Sexy ang arte. Grabe, free throw agad.
Hindi,
Shooting
shoot.
foul kasi yun.
Chinga, pasok.
Sa shooting foul, tinitira niya kasi.
Oh, okay, gets.
Habang tinitira niya ba? Na foul.
Dalawang free throw talaga.
Ne.
Oo, kasi sa 2 point area man siya
Oh, okay.
Pag sa 3 point yun boy, tapos na foul mo, 3 points din.
So, fuck, ngayon lang ako nakarinig tatlong free throw.
Bang bang! Hinga!
Uy, wala naman tirang Pinas. Ano nangyari?
Ewan ko boy.
Kumpiyansa.
Ganda ng lead natin first quarter eh.
Oh, ba't siya?
Apoy!
Ay, ching.
Apoy!
Nagsabat yung isa papunta doon. Tapos,
5 points na.
I don't know anong plano ng coach nila. I do not understand. Ulit.
Pasok niya na si CJ Perez. Marunong point guard natin. Ay, gago ka. Foul yun.
Daya man to.
Bang!
Ne.
Time out. Tangina. Yun na yun.
Sigaw na coach. Anong ginagawa nyo? Ba't kayo ganyan?
Oh, ina nyo.
Oh, foul yun ah! Hindi yung bola!
Ba't wala yun ano? Parang
Kasi nga, mata pa rin yan ng tao. Tapos lahat ng tao may bias.
Oh, pati wala ata niya yung nakita. Ewan ko lang. Ganda.
Kaya mga boss, maraming salamat sa mga nagre-register.
Nagalit na si Team Cone. Sige, murahin mo.
Bobo kayo, anong ginagawa nyo?
Mga boss, sa mga gusto pong maglaro ng online casino. Ayan, nasa pin comment lang ang link
May
natin,
pag-Pinoy o gusto ko maliligal sinasabi ng Cone.
200 deposit minimum lang
Ay.
yan, meron ka ng daily bonus na 20%. Yan, sa unang deposit ko dyan, meron ka ng 50%
Cone, tama ka
bonus.
na.
Ayan, basta
Okay.
weekday date mga boss,
Okay.
100%
Ginagawa niya yan para
weekday
fair
date.
use.
Ang score natin,
Para na siya
40-33
makapiright.
in favor of Brazil mga
Hindi
boss.
niya maglagay.
Ayan, pito po ang laban.
0-13.
Kaya
Kibro wala
nga.
na shoot ni isa.
6 minutes and 31 seconds. Ayan. Ang top donor natin, Marky Friends, shoutout po.
Ano pa nakashoot ni isa?
Latest
Grabe
donor
man.
natin, BDO Lovers and
Nag-
Sergio
throw man to yung
Cortez,
Pilipinas.
shoutout. And kay
Pilipinas.
Jojo Banson, shoutout po. Salamat po sa donation mga boss. Ayan.
Brazil.
Follow nyo na po yung page natin mga
Bakit
boss.
Desi?
Follow nyo
Kaya
na.
nga, bakit ni
Baka
Zay?
double game tayo.
Brazil ata talaga.
Time na yan sa atin, boy. Bakit Pilipinas? Hindi,
Boy,
Philippines.
Ayusin nyo ha.
Philippines put a stop to a 13-0 run from Brazil.
Rotate.
Nagmura
Sige,
na
ikot.
coach nyo. Ayusin nyo.
Ikot. Ikot.
Nice one, back out. Nice one. Ay, bubo ka.
Wala. Mas malakas yung Brazil.
Na!
Mas malakas si Brazil.
Super 7 points na sila lamang.
Kaya pa. 7 points lang yan. Kaya pa.
Konde pass yun.
Na! Gaya. Eh, buti na lang. Kain mo yan, sige. La. Ay!
Hala ka!
Bakit? Tamayo. Oh, hindi talaga marunong magtira.
Uy, wala pa
Bata
na siya shoot
pa
ni
kasi.
isa.
Yung ikot niya dun. Wala mo yan pala. Chinga na ko. Ay, buti na lang. Dala. Tuba ka. Sige.
Okay na masaktan.
Screen! Hoy! Pinayupak.
Paano yun?
Hala!
Ha?
Foul!
Paano?
Foul! Nasiko daw. Saan yun? Replay? Saan? Ay! Wala nga! Bin flop talaga oh! Bin flop. Laking tao ni Pardo no? Ganyan ka no? 7-footer tapos ganyan ka kalaki. Parang pader talaga kalaban mo. Uy, foul na naman. Shooting foul pa. Parang binayaran man nila yung rep.
Ano yun pala yung purpose ng halftime?
Yung rep first up.
Grabe, sunod-sunod lang mo yung foul. The fuck? Saan doon yung foul? Hindi ko nakita.
Nawakan niya. Yung braso. Baka siya nagtira doon. Ting foul na agad. Deserve.
Dala.
Gago, wag nyo na yan palakihin. Stop nyo na yan, pabor.
Boo. Boo.
Oh.
Eh.
Oh.
Eh, sheesh.
8 na boy.
Maganda.
Sige lang. 3-3 lang yan. Lamang na ulit tayo. Pangit ng defense nila kasi. Benga! Hala
Uy, wala
ka!
pa tayo na shoot ni isa, huy. Ano to?
Sige lang boy. Sa atin to.
Sana.
Natalaya, iwan na naman. Agoy, mismatch. Agoy. Grabe mo yung mga pasa na yan. Maganda talaga passing nila.
Unpredictable passing. Foot lang, parang tubig.
Bangga. Hala!
Ha? Paano yun? Paano yun? Paano yun?
Buti na lang hindi sa atin. Blocking foul. Ay, muntik na. Akala ko tayo na naman.
Second foul. Fajardo and Yusuf share it around.
Pasok nyo kasi si CJ Perez. Di marunong to.
Tries to rise over Kabal.
Nice
Guys, sa
one!
wakas. Ay, nako.
It's a start. It's a start.
Sana patuloy-tuloy na yun.
Tuloy-tuloy na yan, boy. Huwag lang ipalayo yung lead. Ganyan lang. Malapit nyo. Tayo dapat leading. Agoy! Patay ka dyan. Ay, buti na lang, Mintis.
Tikan pa.
Buti na lang. Chillax, chillax, pabor. Chillax, madami oras. Oh. Tira. Sige, si tirador. Foul ka na naman. Hinayupak ka. Chinga, mahirap yan, boy. Pag yan, madaming foul na si Fajardo, di na yan siya palaruin. Ma-foul out siya sa game. Lugi, tapos lugi tayo sa big man. Wala si Kai.
No.
Yung si Kai Soto, 7'3 yun. Pinakamatangkad sa atin.
Shit.
Tapos injured man siya last game. Kulang sila sa big man ngayon. Dalawang foul na siya. Hinay-hinay lang kasi Pardo. Agoy, patay.
Nice ka.
Rebound! So, ayan, pinasok na sila ni CJ. Good job. Hi, Brownlee! 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 Lee! Foul, thank you Lord. Yes! Yes! Makainis, mabilis! Kita niya yung tatlo yung kalaban. Pinush niya pa rin.
Hulo.
1v3 ba yun?
Grabe.
Na-foul out ka sana. Wala, nasugat siya bro. Tamayo pala yun. Okay lang yan. Di yan shooter. Ewan ko bakit yan nila sinali. Wala yan ang bug. Ay, gago ka! Pinorsa mo! Dami pang oras. Agoy, aliyop. Oh, jumping! Chill ba? Chill. Kusaya kayo. Ay, yun. Travel pa gayon. Eh, sayang ang possession.
Ganda na yun.
Sayang ang possession natin. Hindi nako-convert sa points. Puro turnover. Ayusin nyo, 300k yung nanonood. Gusto ya, maiyak ka naman. Yan ba si Clark?
Ano, dito.
Tulog na?
Nakamute lang.
Nagkapag-siguro. Guys, good luck, good luck, good luck. Takbo, takbo! Travel na!
No!
Agoy. Namiyaki pa si Gago. Agoy, patay na tayo. 9 points na lead nila. Puta. Patay na tayo dad. 2 minutes, third quarter. Kaya yan.
Tulog na.
Hindi yan. May fourth pa. Hindi kasi nagagalaw yung bola. Oh, passive talaga sila. Sige, hala, tira! Ay, good job.
Ganda.
7 points. Kailangan kasi mabilis ba? Mabilis kasi dati na mo laro nila. Pasakipasa lang. Tama? Paano maglaro? Ikot lahat oh. Ganyan dapat. Nice ka. Bobo. Paul pagayod. Kusaya kayod si... Ano na, Paul yun. Wala ka siya nagtira. Oh, bola, bola. Bola, boy, bola. Bola yung natamaan. Ito talaga to. Lucky siya, boy. Oh, inaakala niya pasahin. Siliga to, fouls na si Brown. Ting foul pa gayon. Malas siya. Mintis, pabor. Ice. 6 points. Ay, 9 points ulit.
Aish.
Ayos ba? Ayos. Guys, ayos to guys. Guys, pabor yan. Tira! Good job. Nice one!
Ay, ganyan lang. Chill lang ba?
Pag-open, tira agad. Kusaya, huwag kayo matakot sa bola. Oh, defense ha. Hala ka, mismatch. Mismatch yan. Lugi siya dyan. Hala ka, bakit mo iniwa? Kusaya, rebound di Pardo. Oh, pasa yan sa kabila. Ipasa yan sa kabila. Chinga, pag ma-shoot pa to. Chinga na. Putang ina. Malas siya kita.
10 points.
10 points na boy. Ay ka. Ay, makainis ka man. Nainis. Utang ina nito ni Diaz sa shooter. Ganyan ka sa akin, tinamba. Talo kayo dito. Ay, wala akong pag Pasa, tira. Second. Oh, pasa. Hala kasi Japit! Uy! Ako na lang maglaro, eh. Nainis. Take over pa yun. Wala na. Tubos oras na lang yan, no? 1 quarter. 10 points lamang. Hirap. Turnover na yun. Di pa nakuha. Rebound. Agoy. 11 points. 12 points. Pangit nyo ka, banding. 2 points lang ata na shoot natin. 4 points.
Mga boss, ang score po natin, no? 51-39 mga boss in favor of Brazil. Ayan. Ayan, shoutout nga pala sa
Malas na dan.
no? Shoutout
Hay,
sa
naku.
Vegas Paint ang
Hindi na natin maka-comment.
Galit
Pag
na.
natalo Gilas, makakasapak na naman ako. Bugbugin mo si Pacquiao, insekto lang tingin sa'yo nun.
Kay Boy Martinotti, ay Martoni.
Hindi talaga makatama mga Bisaya pag suntukan.
Happy birthday, Jet and Jules. Ayan, shoutout po.
Para ka namang
Share lang
malakas.
tayo mga boss, like and share. Ayan, shoutout tayo mga boss, shoutout lang tayo. Ayan, shoutout kay...
Shoutout pa ka. Talo na nga tayo, shoutout ka pa dyan.
ATQ Sports. Kay Tropang Alpanar,
Tropang
shoutout po.
Gigil.
Ayan, kay Amante Elito, shoutout. Ayan, salamat po sa donation mga boss.
Tulog na lang to. Hay, nako, talo pa naman.
Yogi
Hindi ako natulog.
Yogi Buga, shoutout po. Ayan. Kay Tropang
Sino ba yun si Tropa?
shoutout po. Salamat po sa donation mga boss.
Tropang lugi.
Tropang Giga.
Kay Attorney Clark S. Mash,
Uy,
shoutout
Clark!
po. Salamat po sa
Tawag
donation.
ka.
Like and share lang tayo mga boss. Like and share lang tayo ng live.
Like and share pa ka.
Ayan. Maraming salamat po sa mga nagre-register sa
Mag-like
ating
and share
online
yan pag
casino.
talo ang team mo.
Ayan. Yan, sa mga gusto pa po dyan mag-register mga boss, nasa pin comment lang ang link natin.
Pwede na mag-like and
Ayan.
share.
Click nyo lang po yung link at mag-register
Wala
lang mga
gaana.
boss. Ayan. Di na po kailangan ng agent dyan mga boss, di na po kailangan ng agent. Pagkatapos nyo po mag-register
ulit,
dyan mga
makainis
boss,
pa niya
pwede
dyan.
na po kayong maglaro. Ayan. Sa
Ayan.
ating online casino.
Online pa ka.
200 deposit minimum lang yan mga boss, no? Meron na kayong daily bonus dyan na 20%. Sa unang deposit mo dyan, meron kang 50% bonus. Yan, grabe. Sobrang laki magbigay ni BKD8 mga boss. Back to the ball game tayo, guys.
Ang ina Daniel! Back to the wall game!
Last na, last na.
Last game! Tingnan nyo, 12 points na lamang na nila. Kailangan nyo umayos, pre. Ayusin nyo, pre.
Awa nyo na. Please. Manalo na naman.
Kaya yan, Tiga, mayroon 9 minutes para kunin ng 12 points. Depends sa Pureso, kusaya kayo. O yan, pagalitan ko yan sila. Murahin ko sila lahat, boy. It's a good thing na ma-shoot nila to. Benge! Ah!
Hala ka.
Tangina, talo na tayo.
Pag yan na-shoot nila una, GG na. Tulog na tayo.
Talo na tayo, boy, pag na-shoot to.
Pag na-shoot yan, talo.
Boy,
tulog na.
Benga, oh. Loko. Tanga na slide.
Eh, ano man? Saan foul mo?
Tira!
Boost nyo na lahat. 3 points! Yun o! Yun, sinasabi ko, Jill.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Good game, good game, good game. 7? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8.
9 by sub.
9 pa. Eh, 12 points lamang nila. Kawo na.
Oh. Defense. 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 Ay! Wala!
Yun,
Wala! Thank you, Lord! Lord! Ang bait mo talaga!
Kaya pa yan, kaya pa.
Foul.
Saan galing? Pasok na yan, oh.
Foul. Pinaul.
Magtira, shooting foul.
Hindi.
Ni, sayang,
Wala lang,
pasok
wala.
sa yan.
3 fouls na siya. Tangina mo, ma-foul out ka sana. Pasa. Bags out. Sige, suntukin mo yun.
Sundukan na pala eh.
Oh,
Foul
ulit.
foul.
Apat na. Ay, gago, travel. Travel? Hindi ko alam. Foul ata. Ay, travel nga. Gago. Tangina. Malas yan. 9 points pa rin. Sayang lang kayo ng time. Pressure kasi, oh. Kusaya kayo. Inubos na lang yan nilang oras, oh. Box out. Talya. Foul na naman. Kusaya kayo. Brownlee, isave mo ang Pilipinas. Brownlee, ibigay mo na sa atin. Dipinsa. Alaka. Airball, tanga.
Chinga nagabay time lang, oh.
Dipinsa. Oh, goodie! Rebound, nice!
Nice! Pasukin mo!
Oh!
Pasukin mo! Bakit yun?
Tinahol siya. Tinangga siya, gago talaga to. Alam nila kay hindi shooting pa lang. Tatakot sila. Ay, matalino din yung mga kalaban, ha. Black Ditch.
Ganda.
Japet Aguilar for the win. Tinangga siya, tama. Bang!
Oo.
Oh, nice one. Bigay nyo kay Brownlee.
Pag yan nag-press,
Brownlee.
panalo tayo.
Ikot. Crossover. Inasa. Tira. Alak ka, na-block ka. Putang ina mo, Japet. Ang bobo mo. Ay. Agoy.
Naglag pa.
Dipinsa. Tira. Ayo, alon.
Kunin nyo na, uy.
Nice! Takbo!
Nice! Pasok! Yun! Hindi pa yun, pasok.
Pumasok.
Ilang points? 2 lang? 1?
2 points.
Yun na, gusto
Wala yan,
ko.
1 point yan. Sa free throw lang
Ay.
yung may 1 point. Defense! Halak ka! Halak! Thank you, Lord! Oo, chillax. Relax, stress. Tres tayo, tres. Tres,
7,
tres!
7, 7.
Ay! Kaupta na.
Ang lapit na nun.
Hindi ka marunong. Defense. Ay, naku.
Chingo.
Talo na tayo.
Okay
9 point
ko.
Veteran stepping up when he's needed. Brownlee. Still
Uy,
stuck
pasa.
on points.
Wala naman nagatira, Tres.
Anak ka, tinira mo na sana yun.
Wala nagatira, Tres.
Yan ang papasok. Wala pumasok. Rebound, tira. Hey,
Ay.
yes.
7, 7, 7, 7.
7 points. 7 na lang.
Heaven, kaya to.
Minute pa. Kaya yan.
Kaya to,
I-OT nyo.
7. Wag lang ipashoot yung kalaban, please.
Sige. Depensa ba? Huwag kayo magpakahiya. Wala ka, GG. Putang ina mo.
10.
Tanga mo. Opta na. I-alis nyo na yan. Bobo yung maglaro. Ay, naku. Wala mga experience sa mga player dito.
Hindi pa sila mag-time out.
Nice one.
Ay, chingo.
Ay, gago. Natumba siya. Ala, katalo tayo dito, Daniel. Oh, naga-timing na lang sila, oh. Ala,
Ay, no.
shoot pa. Sirado na yan.
Ha? Tapos yun, naban?
Sirado na yan. Talo tayo. Wala na boy pag-asa boy. Sa tingin mo, gusto mo manood pa?
Huwag na, masaktan lang tayo.
Tingnan na natin boy, paano tayo matalo?
Sige na. Tanggap.
Ito na yan, no? Imposible na yan manalo boy.
Shoutout nga pala sa latest donor natin.
Ever po, double-double na si Gago.
Kay Sakura Bright Group, shoutout po.
Nagdag pa.
Video pause na tayo.
13 points lamang. Tangin na. Bobo na yan. Ay, ayusin nyo ba?
Bakit wala
Ay,
na
mas
nagatira, Tres?
Hindi kasi sure shot din. Allah!
Nabok.
.9 na lang ang shot clock. 14 seconds ulit. Agoy, nod pa kayo dyan. Talo lang naman tayo.
Sayang pera, boy.
Relax. JD Sukal, relax.
Placing ba? Placing?
Or
Chinga, ako naglag pa nga yun. Wala pa napasok. Ay, nako, wala pa rin. Wish.
nasuntok na yung coach sa hangin, no? Loko na yun siya.
Boxing na.
Talo na tayo, boy. No cap. Not gonna lie. Tingga, sayang yung lead natin first
Kaya nga,
quarter.
ano man daw yung first quarter.
Ay, out pa! Usaya ba yun? Ay, nasa-stress man ako dito.
Invest talaga tayo. Invested talaga.
Ako, nagasuntok siya. Nwaa! Nwaa!
Grabe man. Panalo na daw kasi sila, no? Panalo na sila. Tampa.
Butaw na, boy, oh.
Tampa talaga. Mag 20 points na yan, oh. Going 20, no?
14 points na lamang. 15 na siguro. Actually,
Chinga.
15
Wala na pag-asa, no? Wala na.
Meron pag-asa pag may depensa sila. Pero wala, boy.
Dapat paulanan nyo na ng 3. 5
Natin,
3.
pangit pa yung pasa, oh. Oh, saya gayud. Second over pa ako saya. Ay, pahiya kayo, boy. You're a disgrace. Chart. Joke lang. Parang ako din yung nag-represent, no? Saan? Okay. Kaya pa yan. Sige, try nyo. I-try nyo.
Yun!
Sige.
12. Paulanan nyo ng 3.
Well, stress lang. Manalo tayo dito.
Huwag matakot mag 3 ba? Hindi na kasi sila ka 3. Magsalita, parang
Defense pa
magaling.
kasi hindi marunong mag-defense. Oh na, yun na, binigay na naman. Ay nako!
Tres rin yun, no?
Hindi, dos yun. Daniel, naiinis na ako sa'yo, hindi ka marunong
Hindi ko
mag-defense.
nakita yung
Brownlee
Wala na time!
get going again.
Uy!
Again, it's Brazil's defense
Mother fucker.
giving him a hard time.
Oh, wala na yan, Dad. Laro na lang tayo Roblox.
Ay.
Nice.
Ay, nako.
Makapikot.
Ay, nako. Sayang yung 100.
Wala ako nagpwesto. Joke pala.
Imaginary.
Yung binari.